I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to go over the 750 credit score checklist. So this checklist is going to help you get to the 750 credit score. And if you want to get a copy of it, look down the description and you'll get a copy of it. So a lot of people, they want to get the 750 credit score because they want to really they want to be able to raise their credit score so that they can really just get a house. But even outside of getting a house, if you just want to make sure you have a high credit score, you want to get a car, you want to have high limit credit cards, start with this first and you'll be able to build from there. So the first thing too, if you have any negative items in your credit report, the first thing you want to check off, if you want to contact me so I can help you remove those negative items in your credit reports. So except you have a bankruptcy, repos, collections, charge off, if you have those type of accounts, student loans, if you have those type of accounts, definitely call me. My phone number is here, or you can call or text me at 833-Rickita, and we can definitely, me and my team can help you remove those negative items from your credit reports. So if you have those negative items, I see clients a lot of times too, their credit score can go up 200 points in a month. So that right there alone can really help you. And even if you start doing other steps without removing those negative items, it's going to be hard to get to that 750. So definitely call me if you have negative items in your credit report. The next thing I want you to make sure too is make sure you have 4 positive credit cards reporting to your credit report, and I have those credit cards below. We'll go over those together. Make sure you have at least 1 positive installment account reporting. I'm going to tell you 2 of them. I definitely want you to sign up for both of them, but make sure you have minimum 1. Minimum 1, but it's best to have more. Remember, you can have 6 credit cards. This is like the bare minimum, you guys. Like if you have credit cards and you have a high limit on them, make sure you pay those down. That's another thing I want you to do. Just pay down your credit cards. If you have credit cards that have a high limit right now, make sure you pay them down. And the credit cards that you're going to get, say if you don't have any credit cards, I'm going to help you get approved by telling you which ones to get. I want you to make sure that you don't spend more than 5% on those credit cards. So say if you have a $200 limit or if you have a $300 limit, I don't want you to spend more than 5%. Make sure that you're paying all of your bills on time. Like every bill that you have, especially if it's reporting to the credit bureaus, make sure you pay it on time. And don't close your old positive accounts. Make sure you can keep those accounts open because that's what's going to help really boost your credit score. They want to see your accounts get old. So if they see your accounts getting old, it's going to really help boost your credit score up. Now, another thing too, you can get your credit reports using this link right here. So you can just copy this link. So you can just copy it like this and get your credit reports. You'll be able to get your credit reports for $1 for the first 7 days. They're going to give you all 3 credit reports and scores for $1 for your first 7 days. If you get your credit reports from here, we're able to look at that too. And we'll tell you, which credit card you can get. And we'll be able to help you get them negative items off your credit reports after you get your credit reports from here. But if you don't have negative items in your credit reports, at least you'll have your credit reports. You'll see where your scores is at, and then you'll figure out, which ones you may be able to get approved for. So go ahead, definitely get your credit reports to see where you're at. And if you know for sure you have accounts in your credit reports that you need to get fixed, you have those collections, charge-offs, the bankruptcy, the student loans, child support, those different accounts, definitely, fill out this link right here. You just copy this link. And then you can go ahead. Oh, they're taking us to that link now. So yeah, you'll just go here and fill out this application, you guys. So yeah, you'll go there and fill out that application. And, after you fill out the application, we'll be able to help you. But since I see that they're pulling up links, I didn't know that they can pull up the links. This is the link where you'll get your credit reports from too. So yeah, just go ahead and click get yours now right here. Get your credit reports and remember your login information, your username and password. It's going to be really easy if you get your credit reports, but go ahead and get your credit reports, fill out the application. We can help you remove those negative accounts. Or if you just get your credit reports, you'll be able to see where you at so you can go ahead and get these next accounts. Now, the next thing I want you guys to do is I want you to get approved for the Easy credit card. So one of the Easy credit cards is the Capital One Quicksilver. The next one is the Capital One Platinum. So those 2 are Easy credit cards. Make sure you get the different ones. So this is the Platinum and this is Quicksilver. Make sure you get the different credit cards. And then you have the Credit One Bank and Victoria's Secrets. So make sure you get these different credit cards, you guys. These are Easy credit cards you guys can get. And if you look down below in the description, you'll be able to see my shopping cart trick. So my shopping cart trick, you'll be able to get approved for credit cards without them even pulling your credit. So that may be something that you may want to look into too, getting the credit cards without them pulling your credit. So get the shopping cart trick, start working on it. And a lot of people were saying like, oh, I got, approved for $4,000. I got approved for $500. They got approved for, different different limits for these credit cards, but they're going to give you these credit cards without actually pulling your credit. So definitely go ahead and check out the shopping cart trick. Sometimes you may see it as SCT. So shopping cart trick. Now, this is an installment account. These two right here, they're installment accounts. So when it comes down to the installment account, you're able to get approved for a kickoff, which with kickoff, it's an installment account where they're going to borrow you $12, and every month they want you to pay them back $1. So that $12 that they borrow you is going to sit in your online account, and every month they want you to go in there and pay it back. So that money is going to send an account. All you have to do, you'll get an email saying, hey, it's time to make a payment. You go in there, press pay, and you should see it on my channel too, but go in there and press pay. As soon as you press pay, then they're going to report to the credit bureaus that you're paying. My credit score went up 36 in 2 weeks just from signing up for this account. So I definitely want you to sign up for kickoff, and I don't think they're letting me go there. These are letting me go there, but they're not letting me do the kickoff, but definitely go to their website and do the kickoff. Another one I want you guys to look into is the self-lender. So with self-lender, this account is where you'll be able to save. So you can save a minimum of $25 per month. Every month that you pay, they're going to report to the credit bureau that you're paying on time. And that them reporting to the credit bureau is going to really help raise your credit score. I just did a live video yesterday where one of the clients said her credit score went up 127 points from doing self-lender. So that's why I say you can do both of them. Kickoff is free. Self-lender you got to pay for, but self-lender can give you some great benefits. So definitely click on the links that I have here, you guys, and get started on these different accounts. And remember, this is the road to the 750. So let's do an overview. If you have any negative accounts in your credit report, you definitely want to get those off. That's rule number one. You want to make sure that you have 4 positive credit cards reporting on your credit reports. You want to make sure you have at least 1 positive installment account, but remember too, we have 2 of them here. So I suggest you get both of them. Kickoff is free. Self-lending, you got to pay for it. But like I said, clients said 127 points, so I suggest that a lot. And if you guys watch my self-lender video, self-lender said since I've been with them, I think they said my credit score went up 130, 150 points. It went up a lot. It went up a lot, you guys. So definitely go ahead and check out my self-lender video. It will be, on my YouTube channel. You guys can be able to check that out. So make sure that you pay down any credit cards that you have and don't spend more than 5% on your new credit cards or any credit cards that you currently have. Make sure that you're paying your bills on time and don't close any old accounts. So definitely call or text me if you have any questions. My phone number is 833-Rickita. I'm always here for you guys. And if you ever have any questions, don't hesitate. Call us. It can be small things. I have people on my team that can definitely sit on the phone with you and help you through these different steps if you have different questions. But call us to text us. We're definitely here for you. And good luck to your road to 750.